In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a magical Ghibli-style image using Leonardo AI. This process allows you to infuse your original imagery with the enchanting and whimsical aesthetic that Studio Ghibli is renowned for. We'll be walking through the whole process, from preparing your image and settings to refining and saving the final product. Let's dive into the first step, preparing your image and settings. Start by navigating to the image creation page on Leonardo AI. This platform is where all the magic happens. Once there, you'll want to select an anime model that suits the Ghibli style, such as an anime retro style. This initial choice is crucial as it sets the artistic tone for your image transformation. Next, choose the image-to-image option, which allows Leonardo AI to convert an input image into your desired style. Go ahead and upload the image you want to transform. For a truly authentic Ghibli look, consider uploading a reference image that captures the vibe of the original Studio Ghibli films you love. This reference will guide the AI in adopting the stylistic nuances you're aiming for. After you've uploaded your image, click on the reference image section to adjust its settings. Here, you'll find a match button, which is essential for maintaining the original aspect ratio of your image, ensuring that nothing looks distorted or stretched in the final product. Now that we have everything set up, let's move on to writing your prompt and generating the image. Crafting a detailed prompt is key. Describe the scene or subject you envision in your new image, paying special attention to the stylistic elements you want to incorporate. This might include the soft color palettes, dreamy landscapes, or the characteristic character designs unique to Ghibli films. Once your prompt is ready, click the Generate button. Depending on your account settings, the number of images generated may vary. Free users, for instance, might see 4 images by default. This variety gives you options to choose from, each with its own interpretation of your prompt. Finally, we reach the last part of our journey, refining and saving your Ghibli-style masterpiece. Review the generated images carefully. You may find that one perfectly encapsulates your vision, or you might see potential in a few. Leonardo AI provides additional tools that can help enhance and upscale your chosen image, refining the quality and details to your satisfaction. Once you're happy with the result, save your new Ghibli-inspired image. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you can turn any image into a whimsical, Ghibli-esque work of art using Leonardo AI. Whether you're creating for fun, art projects, or simply to explore the possibilities of AI-driven creativity, I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.